Hello, I'm Lucy from the Walking Post website, and I'm going to show you how to use our map routes on OSmaps, Ordnance Survey maps, that is. So I've chosen this walk. If you scroll down, there's some buttons here. So see the route on OSmaps. So assuming you've got an account and it doesn't have to be paid, you can click on the route and it will take you to OSmaps. If you've got a paid account, which I have, you'll see the proper Ordnance Survey, proper topography map, and you can use it there. If you don't, you will just see it in a standard map like this, which is fine. It's not quite so helpful really, but there you go. So you can follow the map with GPS that way. However, if you do have a paid account, you can also import the file. So this is GPS map you need to download, and that has all the information on it for the distances and stuff. So you download it, then go to your account. You just need to go to routes in the menu, import GPX, choose file, find your file, there it is, open it, import route, success. And then you can change the details of it. The advantage of this is you can rename it and do what you like with it and edit the points and everything. So that's it. It's just more flexible. Thank you.